Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you the best codes that you can use in Applinked to jailbreak your Firestick, as well as how to install Applinked to your device if you don't have it yet. The whole setup is really easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. Now, without any further ado, let's proceed. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader to your device. You can get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device. Here it is, and now start typing the loader in the search bar. Usually there's even no need to enter whole name of the app because as you can see the loader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on the loader and that's the app which we need to get to our device. However, after you get the loader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. And to set up the loader, we gotta go to settings. So here we are, let's open settings. Then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. Here we'll have to enable developer options for your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. So we'll open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and here turn that option on for the loader. So what it does is going to allow us to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only from official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now go to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, let's open it. And here's the downloader app, which we already got to your device. However, before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. They are super fast, got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may have, and they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Estonia right now, and from the moment we connect, all our traffic going to be encrypted. It means nobody can track us or snoop on us online, and that's extremely important if we wish to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video, you'll get 4 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer, so go get those 4 months for free and then use the loader safely. Now we can finally go back to the list of applications on our device, here it is, and there's the loader application which we got. So let's open the loader. On the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, that's important. And now here you see a search bar, which we'll use to enter a link. You'll see the exact link on your screen in a moment. So here's the link, you can see it on your screen right now. It's applinked.store. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see on your screen and then click on Go. By the way, don't make any mistakes, because if you make any mistake in a link, obviously it's not going to work for you. So now we click on Go, and in a couple of seconds the website is going to open. Yep, here it is. The first thing we see is a warning to beware of copycat websites, and that the only official website for Applinked is applinked.store. So that's exactly the website we have opened. Now we just need to click on X here to close the warning and scroll down a little bit. So keep scrolling until you see that download the app button or message. And in here we gotta click on the green download button. So let's click on download. And now the app was downloaded to our device. Here we have to click on install, and in a couple of moments the app is going to be installed to our Fire Stick. Yep, it is done now. So before actually clicking open, we have to press on done, because here we'll have an option to delete the installation file, as we don't need it anymore. So we click on delete and then delete once again. This way we have erased the unnecessary installation files from our Fire TV Stick device. Now after we got the app, there's one really important thing. We'll have to go to settings once again, then go to My Fire TV, developer options, install unknown apps, and we have to turn that option on for Applinked. It is a must if you want to use Applinked to download other applications from the internet, and I suppose that's exactly what you're planning to do with this app. Now let's go back to the list of applications on our Firestick. Here it is, scroll down, and here you'll find Applinked. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way Applinked is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and it's going to be really easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Then once again, don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe online, and you can get 4 months of service for free if you use my promo link in the pinned comment below the video. And now let's finally open Applinked and I'll show you the best codes that you can use in 2024. Now what you have to do here is click on the Add Store button right here. Let's click on it. And there we'll be able to enter our codes. Our first code of today is going to be free, and then click on next. Click submit here, and after you add this code here, the library is going to appear in Saved Stores menu. So click on Saved Stores now, click on Select a Store, and here's the free library which we have added. Now click on Open. And now the library has opened for us. I had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you the exact applications which are available in the App Store. However, in your case, of course, the apps are not going to be blurry. But oh no, you'll find some live TV applications here, movie apps, IPTV players, some utility apps to make your Firestick work better. And oh no, there's around 15 applications which you may find quite useful. So that was our first code of the day, but of course I'll show you more codes right now. Now we go back and click on Add a Store once again. This time the code is going to be 5555, then we click on Next and click on Submit. Once again we go to Save Stores, select a store from the menu, this time it's of course 5555, and then we click on Open. Once again, don't worry, the only screen that is blurry is mine because of YouTube rules. So this library is mostly focused on movie applications, and you'll find the most popular movie apps on this library. There's more than 20 apps, if I'm correct, and the majority of them are really decent. So once again, the code for this library was 5555, so feel free to check it out yourself and see if any of the apps are useful to you. And now I'll show you some more codes. This time the code is really simple, it's 1234. Go to Next and click Submit obviously, then go to Save Stores and select the newly added store from the list. Click on Open, and what we find here is some media players, side loader applications, apps to jailbreak a Firestick, live TV players, movie applications, mouse toggles, web browsers, and all kind of different applications. There's honestly a lot of apps, way more than in the previous 2 libraries that we have reviewed previously. In my opinion, I believe this is one of the best libraries which are currently available in the Applinked. But sometimes instead of searching for codes, it might be better to just go and check out the libraries which are available for you right here. So there's quite a lot of them, like live TV, movies and shows, TV shows, movies, gaming, and so on. Sometimes those categories can be really useful and you might find a lot of apps out there. And also it is possible to review the public stores which are available there in the app as well. You may find quite a lot of different public libraries right there with a lot of applications. All in all, I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to get a VPN connected to stay safe and private online. And once again, you can get 4 months of VPN for free if you use my link in the pinned comment below the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.